Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a website on Hostinger. First, select a hosting plan that aligns with your project, whether it's shared hosting for a small blog or a more robust VPS for higher traffic. Next, register your perfect domain name, which will be your website's address. Finally, navigate through the initial setup wizard in your Hostinger control panel, providing essential details to get your account ready for website creation. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth launch. Now, let's install your website's platform. Hostinger's H-Panel offers a convenient auto-installer. Simply locate it and choose WordPress or another content management system like Joomla or Drupal with just a few clicks. You'll then enter your desired administrator username and a strong password, along with your site title. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes, quickly preparing your site for content. With your platform installed, it's time to design. Select a theme that reflects your brand or purpose. There are thousands of free and premium options available. Use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to customize your pages, add images, and structure your content. Don't forget to install key plugins for SEO, security, and performance, enhancing your site's capabilities and user experience significantly. Finally, it's time to launch your website. Thoroughly review all pages, links, and forms to ensure everything works perfectly. If your domain was registered with a different provider, update its name servers to point to Hostinger. After launch, remember to perform regular backups and keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated. This ensures your website remains secure, fast, and reliable for all your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.